Hey guys, what's up? It's White Waffle, and as you guys know, we haven't uploaded in a while. Stuff has just come up like failed upload videos and stuff. And a lot of you probably know we have 500 subs because that's probably the name of this video if you didn't know. But yeah, we reached 500, and I'm thanking you guys like I did for 100. A video like this. For 500, we're not gonna have a song. We're gonna actually have like a montage. I know a lot of you guys don't like Call of Duty or stuff, but this is something we used to do before we started playing Minecraft and stuff. And we were working on this before we even started this channel, so we decided we would just finish and upload it, and it just happened so that we finished at 500 subs. So that's kind of cool. Unless you guys don't like it, then it's not very cool. But I know some people are gonna enjoy it, like Brett Waffle from the Skyblock series. I know he's looking forward to it. He'll probably see this before Focus, which is kind of sad. Alex is supposed to upload it. He was supposed to upload it yesterday, but he didn't. I don't know why he didn't. I think I'll text him. But yeah, thank you for 500 subs. Thank you guys so much.